Okay, so currently the waterfall on the pool is set to the off position. If you needed to turn the waterfall on manually, you'll come over here to the pool heater manual waterfall on and off. All right, once that's open, you'll notice down here at the bottom, there's an off and an on switch. In order to turn this on manually, you're going to shift this and move this to the right. Right now, the pool waterfall is set on a schedule that comes on daily. So you'll only need to do this if you need to run the waterfall outside of the scheduled hours that it's coming on daily. Once this is in the on position, if the waterfall is not yet running, that means that this lever here is set to off. You want to make sure that it's pointing towards the on position here. You'll see it by the sticker. If for some reason this lever is pointing towards off, you'll just need to turn it so that it's pointing towards the